Today is the final, day 5 of a Dry Creek Bed's 5-day Hangover Extravaganza to celebrate its release, and today is my absolute favorite hangover cure, although the least recommended one of the entire bunch, and that is Hair of the Dog. This is a Widmer Brothers Drifter Pale Ale. It's small. It's a brewery out of Oregon, and I give it total thumbs up. It's super yummy, so absolutely 100% cheers. Yummy. Okay, absolutely my favorite. Have a great time, you guys, and thanks so much for coming along to our Dry Creek Bed Hangover Extravaganza. Bye.